Imagine creating a full song, lyrics, vocals, and even beats in just few seconds without even stepping into a studio. Today, I'll show you exactly how to do that using Suno AI. Welcome back to Maicy, where we learn, grow, and explore digital tools that can change your life. If you're a creator, artist, or just curious, this video is for you. What is Suno AI? Suno AI is a powerful tool that generates complete songs from simple text prompts. You just type what you want and it creates for you lyrics, melody, and vocals instantly. It's perfect for YouTube creators, musicians, and even business. To create on Suno, you have to go to Suno AI website and sign up using your Google account. To create songs, you have two options. One, you can use ChatGPT to get your prompt and lyrics and title. Or you can go directly to Suno AI and type your prompt there and title. When writing your prompt on Suno AI, you need to explain your song clearly. The more detailed your prompt, the better your results. As a creator, this can help you make intros, background music, and even a full song for your content. Imagine having your unique sound without spending any money on the studios. And you are guaranteed no copyright on your videos. Is it not the best thing that you can have? Because for a long time, we have struggled with this copyright. For me, I had to learn this skill because I used to use YouTube songs or melodies that were non-copyright, only for the person later to copyright the songs and then get the copyright on my videos. There's a song I used, and after 7 months, the person copyrighted and got a copyright. Though the copyright are not strike, but if you get a copyright, you either you meet the part that has that song, erase the part, or you share the revenue with the owner of the song. So this one made me to learn how to make my own songs. These songs, when I'm live, I use them as background music. They're my own music. Nobody can copyright me. So let me take you step by step how to create. There are two ways of doing that. You can go first, getting lyrics from ChatGPT. You come here. Let's go to ChatGPT. Then you type. First, you get the title. Give me a title. Title of my, we are doing a birthday song, but because it's my birthday song. So you see, you have all these titles. You can choose for it's my birthday, let's celebrate together, another year, another glow, year wiser, a heart stronger. So which one do I go with? Let me go with this. I'm grateful for life. This one. Birthday song. Then you come here. Tell, give me lyrics for this title. So this is the lyrics for the song. So come here, we copy paste. This is the title, Grateful. because people used to ask me, where do you get the songs? Sometimes I play the songs. See, that the song is long. Copy. Now, after you copy there, we come here, you search Suno. This is now Suno AI music. It's using Gmail. Yeah, you see, no, we are not upgrading. So when you come here, create, and your voice. This is a new feature. You can add your voice, and want to add my voice. So when you come here, you see lyrics. You come here, you copy paste the lyrics of the song. You see, and then you come here to the style. Which style do you want of the song? Song title. You copy paste this title of the song. Yeah, now you choose the vocals that you want for your song. Vocal gender, female. I'm a female. You can choose even for a male to sing for you, but me, I put a female. Then lyrics mode. Choose how to control it, write a manual or use AI prompt. Use manual because you already have the song. So here you choose which whatever you want. You can go to jazz, pop, metro, jazz, the style. Then I think I'm done. When you're done, you come here, create. Within this thing, less than a minute, you have a song. Now it's creating the song. See, they'll create for you 2 songs. And see how the song goes. It will get you 2 songs. At ChatGPT still, you can tell them birthday song, they will give you a lyrics according to the words. You can tell them, I want these words, this, or if you want in general, like the one I have done, it is you to decide which one you want.
Woke up this morning feeling something new. Another year older, but I made it through. Through every struggle, every silent tear, God held my hand and brought me here. I didn't have it all, but I had enough. Even in the storms, I learned to be tough. Now I'm standing stronger than before, walking in purpose, ready for more. Every lesson, every fall made me who I am today. Now I rise, I stand tall. This is my moment, my day. I'm grateful for this life, yeah. Every breath, every fight, yeah.
The same song.
Through the lows and the highs.
Even the second song has the same words, but the beats are the ones that they change.
Woke up this morning, feeling something new. Another year older, but I made it through. Through every struggle, every silent tear, God held my hand and brought me here.
Those are the songs. Now I want to show you another method. The other we want to do now manual without using ChatGPT. Not manual, but AI. So you come here, choose a title, go with still and go with the female. Lyrics mode, now you go here. You say auto. When you say auto now, You come here, you describe the lyrics you want or share a theme or topic Suno will write for you. I want a lyrics. The song be first thanking God for gift of life, good health, and then birthday vibes celebration. Let's see what it will come up with. See, should I put this one here? I don't know which one should I choose. Let me choose different here. Let's go with the military bird. Melodic rap. Thing. Let's go with those. Then you come here. Then you come here and create. Let's see what it will create for us. Still it will create for 2. You can download 2. You have to upgrade to get a full song. The 2 are not full songs. They are just, you can play them, but they are not full song. The other 2 are full songs. Same melodies, but different beats. Let's listen to this.
Open my eyes, still here, still breathing. Fresh air in my chest, my heart keeps beating. Count every step, one by one. I'm seeing grace on my head, new mercy this morning. First I thank God for the gift of life. Thank God for this beating heart. Thank God for the strength inside. For every brand new start. Then we turn it up, it's my birthday time. Family dancing by my side. First I thank God for the gift of life. Then we celebrate my life. Body
That
feels
one
strong.
is beautiful. Let's listen to the second one.
Open my eyes, still here, still breathing. Fresh
But
air
I
in
love
my
the first
chest.
one.
My heart keeps beating. Count every step, one by one. I'm seeing grace on my head, new mercy this morning. First I thank God for the gift of life. Thank God for this
I love the
beating
first
heart.
one. So, for you to download now, you come here, say download MP3 audio. Then it tell you need commercial rights. You can download anyway. And it will download on your device. If you're using a laptop, you see here, grateful for this live, it's downloading. It will download. Let's download the second one. And that's how you create your song. Just seconds. Not even a minute. You can create a song in less than a minute. So don't ask me again, how do you make your songs? You are playing those songs, will they not give you copyright? Sometimes when I'm live, I just play these songs, all of my songs that I've created, because you see they are all here. All my songs that I've created, they are all here. Many of them, many of them. Many, 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 many. And you know, they're not only this. You can go the next page. See here, you can go the next page, and I have so many songs that I've created. So if I want, sometimes when I'm live, I can play them as I talk to my viewers. So you can even create every song for every video. I have video songs for farming when I was doing the when I was not sure what I want. So when I was doing dairy farming, I have songs for dairy farming. For cooking, I have songs for cooking. For travel, I have songs for travel. Yeah. So today, because the video is my birthday video, I produced a birthday video song. Now you got the idea how the songs are created. You see, it's very, very easy to create one. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let me know in the comment section what kind of a song you will create using Suno AI. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.